Good morning, everyone. Terry here from my North Texas garden. Well, I woke up this morning to a very foggy day. It doesn't look as foggy on the camera, but it's a very foggy morning. But it's not freezing in Texas anymore, praise God. But it is foggy. All right, everybody, have a beautiful, blessed day. Please subscribe and take care and stay warm if you're cold out there. And it's almost spring, everyone, almost spring. All right, God bless. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a beautiful, blessed day.